Fix political issues, every other issue will follow suit. But you know, there's a group of people I want to insult. I want costing. You know, amongst the Igbos, we have a larger number of mumu, big fools amongst the Igbos, and I will point them out. You see, if you don't learn from history, history will teach you lessons the other way. Let's date back to the Biafra war. That the Igbos are crying and all that. Shebi, for other parts of the nation, that they destroy people property, seize their land, seize their investment and all that. On a wrong, Ojuku said, fall back to the east because with the fee problem before the war started. A lot of Igbo may not get sense, not use that one till learn. You understand me? You went to now see the caption. Shomolu accused of demolishing buildings belonging to the Igbo people. Yes, he's following the master plan. They don't like Una. What happened to your place? All these Igbo people full Lagos. They develop Lagos, P Square, Obi Kubana, idiot, Obi Kubana, what do they call her? E-money. And some notable politicians una they develop Lagos. Where una not even get building for una village. Now go to Alaba market, Alaba international market, Now people get big stores for there and all that. Una they develop, una they add to the economy of that place. But let's go back to area market, my favorite market, area market. When rain, small rain fall, everywhere go dilapidate. It go be one kind. Una not fit develop una own. Why are you crying? I was see for one tweet. Now the Kano lawyer, the cry say, Shomolu, they target Igbo people. If you want to say you want to eradicate Igbo people from Yoruba land, from Lagos, make it talk. You don't need to talk. His action is telling you. My point is, why una not go see with all the money una get? You see one thing, if you have money or if you have brains, you cannot use it to your advantage. It becomes a cost. All the money that will be Kubana get, all the Kubana chief priest, una not get money. Una just all of you are just una be big fool because you guys cannot go. You cannot go to your village and make your place attractive for that people to come. Maybe now people they make Lagos they attractive where people they run to go Lagos. Why can't you go to your village and make your village? I want to ask you one question. Show me one Hausa man when he gets huge investment for Lagos. No, all their investments are back home. Kaduna, Nasarawa, Kanu and all that. Even see Lagos as a farmland where you call hustle. Temporal, your main source, everything. Again, we see how people that are sensible. We say they follow this plan. So why not they cry? Why not they cry? Majority of people where they Lagos, they not get they be fool. I see one post one time when the P Square brother say the road leading to his house, he won't tie the road, but politics, the politicians not agree because they don't shop money. Are you from Lagos? Are you from Lagos? Why they not go do that one? What? So you are from the north, from the east. You only go to your villages for occasion, burial. Some of them say people go for festive season, like Casey talk say. Now, when he released that in album, that in generation, praise generation, Casey praise. Say when he go village for Christmas, now you get inspiration. So you can get inspiration to perform, to perfect your act by going to your village. Why you not stay there? But no, una demonize una come. They never scatter na party rich. Shawolu, please target P Square, target Obi Kubana, chief priest, E-money. All these idiots scatter their house. Blessing see you owner to start war. Problem. Tribal war, because we won't start tribal war. Wait till una go talk, una no talk. Wait till una go talk, una no talk. If someone they do what they do, he's working with a master plan. They don't like una. Why not all those resources that you guys have? Why not go to your locality and beautify it, make it attractive? That one say go bring customers, go bring investment. People go to come now. They not gonna go there. They go to come again. They use Biafra at that time. Take flush, take care how many Igbo people, Nigerians died through it. Now, they don't use Una till they kill Una safe. Does that make sense? They're not like us for Lagos. Is Lagos your land? We understand this is one Nigeria. Okay. But the government now supports tribalism. Because that's what is going on. Why don't you use what you have now? Use this for your advantage. Go back. Carry all those Una nonsense house. Your property. Move back home. Develop your home. Develop your home. Even in America, politicians, celebrities, they fit buy house for one place. Buy house. The county where they come from, now they their base day. They stay that place because of saying the money, again, farmland. Now there you take they get your craft and all that. But your base, your retirement, everything, is their house. No, all these P Square, they not get mansion. What stops you with all the plenty money una get? Okosha, all of you are just blessed. See you a big fool. All of una just be fool. What stops you from going to build estates, apartment complexes, people rent them? That's still money for you too, for your place. Because people now they sell land for you from the government where they destroy on a place. So and then they approve C of O. For place where say get where road pass, they go approve from the government, and the government is not even probing them. Now so you say that they target una, and una they allow they target una be fool. All the Igbo people in Lagos una be goat or mumu was. When I say goat, I don't mean greatest of all time. Mumu of all time, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. Because una not get sense. One of my fathers, Shino Ashebe, said it, things fall apart. Bless it, we not study, go and study things fall apart. See, people don't foresee all these things. People don't foresee all these. We not learn from history. As they punish una reach for Biafra period, Biafra war period, that Nigerian civil war. As they punish una reach, una still not get sense. One Nigeria kill you there. That is the show una so now. One Nigeria kill you there. One Nigeria kill you there. So una not get sense. Now everybody they cry. They target people. You make yourself a target. So that's why you are falling for it. They never destroy on a house. You show finish all of them. This is just the beginning. Finish all of them. Finish all of them. Again, I will use a Hausa man as a typical example. All they are Mustafa where they shop money for Abacha government that time. They not get money to take buy house or Lagos, do everything. They did their village because that's where that's not peace. But no, you want to discriminate against your own people. This is why the Biafra cause cannot even move. Like if now Yoruba people or Hausa people they fight to break out of Nigeria, they cannot break out since because they are united. Yes, they are united. But Nigeria they talk nonsense. They kill now. The economy of the eastern part of Nigeria now is going down the drain. Akwa Ibom go the tie road. Once it tie and reach Aba, it go stop. Igbo people una not get head. Igbo people they are industrious. Una be big fool if una not use na head. They target us. You put yourself when you make yourself a target. What are going to do? Target practice. Now be this. Hey, get out of my face. Or goat. Or una be fool. Garbage.